Hi friends, I am Joel John, YouTube blogger. In this video, we are going to talk about out of packet maximum, both for out of packet maximum for individuals and out of packet maximum for family. So now, I like to say you that whenever I get job offers on medical billing related things, I will be posting that on the description, as well as I will pin that as a comment as my first comment. So check the description and the comments, so that you will be knowing about the offers I have, and my WhatsApp number will be there. Text your name, contact number, and your resume on that, so that I will be able to help you out in job offers as well. And to get into the details of this video, and also I will be pinning my, at the end screen you will get my complete list of US medical billing related videos. Watch that, so that will be helpful for you during interviews. And also in the I button, I will be putting my US medical billing playlist and other interview related videos as well, so go through that as well. And now we can see what is out of packet maximum. When a patient gets covered in an insurance, after paying the premium, he will select the effective date, and from that effective date he will be covered. But initially, even after being covered, for the covered expenses itself, he has to pay till he meets the deductible value, both individual and family. So once they meet this deductible value, they will be paying only the co-pay and co-insurance for the covered services. The leftover will be paid by the insurance company. So now, uh, they start paying this co-pay and co-insurance. How long they have to pay? Still, this co-pay and co-insurance value fills out or meets the out-of-packet maximum for individual as well as family. So now, the question is, will the deductible payment, what the patient pays towards the deductible, also be added towards the out-of-packet maximum? Yes. For most of the plan, whatever the patient pays as deductibles, co-pay and co-insurance are getting added up to the out-of-packet maximum. So now, what is individual out-of-packet maximum and what is family out-of-packet maximum? So individual out-of-packet maximum is what the patient pays, for what that particular patient pays towards his medical expenses, that's covered medical expenses during the coverage period, and also which is covered. So when you take take a family of A, B, C, D. So this A will be paying, say that the individual out of packet maximum is $5,000, and the family maximum out of packet maximum is $10,000. So A pays $6,000 for his medical expenses. So now this he meets his individual deductible. So for any other services he comes, in individual out of packet maximum. So any other services he comes, there is no need to pay co-pay and co-insurance for A. Now C falls ill. So C pays about $5,000 for her medical expenses. So C also meets the individual medical expenses out of packet maximum cap. So for future services, there is no need for C to pay anything. So putting this A and C value whole, the whole out of packet maximum is met. So now if B or D falls sick, the insurance will pay the 100% because they have finished the out of packet maximum for the family is met. So this is how it works. So now the second question comes. I have a secondary insurance which pays for my co-pay and co-insurance. So now, will these values be added? Yes, it will be added because you will be given a COB that the co-pay and co-insurance can be deducted from the secondary insurance, or you would be getting it as a reimbursement or a cash benefit from your secondary insurance. But still, you are covered, and the main payment is done by this primary insurance. Still, for whatever the claim, they are the primary insurance. Even if the secondary insurance pays for co-pay or co-insurance, or you pay for your co-pay or co-insurance, the values will be added up to the out of packet maximum. So okay friends, now I think that all your queries regarding this would have been clarified. So what the main thing you have to do is you have to share this video with your friends, share it to them on your WhatsApp, or put it on your WhatsApp group, and start conversation about these topics with your friends when you are free. Ask to them, see what are the scenarios in out of pocket maximum, can we discuss about that, can we put an example and work it out. So when you start practicing like that, you will become very thorough, and your communication, the flow of language will become very good. Only when the flow of language is good, when you are questioned in an interview, or when you sit for a promotion discussion with your top managers, or your interview panel, or your, so on all the places they mainly look for not only your subject knowledge, they look for the flow of your language and how understandable your conversation is. That will develop when you, only when you start speaking with your friends about these kinds of topics. So start discussing about interview related topics with your friends, and subject related topics, and also go through your notes whenever you are free, and also go through all my US medical billing related videos and other interview preparation related videos. So when you keep on practicing, remember, practice pays. So I wish you all a great career ahead, and also stay tuned to my channel, subscribe, press the bell symbol, and enable all notifications so that you'll get a notification whenever I post a new video. Give a thumbs up as a token of appreciation, share your valuable comments, and keep on watching my channel and support me as well. It's time to say bye. It's your Joel John J signing off from you. Bye.